Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of comfort with the Linenspa Adjustable Bed Frame, designed to elevate your sleep experience with its independent head and foot incline, allowing you to relax, read, work, or watch TV from the comfort of your bed. This bed frame features a powerful yet ultra-quiet motor and boasts an easy, tool-free assembly process. Simply unfold the base, attach the legs, plug it in, and you're ready to enjoy. With a 650-pound weight capacity and compatibility with most mattresses and bed frames, this adjustable base seamlessly fits into your existing bedroom setup while maintaining the style you love. The durable steel construction and wired remote make quick and easy adjustments a breeze, ensuring your comfort is always just a button away. Measuring 73.62 inches long, 53.54 inches wide, and 13.78 inches high, with 11 inches of underbed clearance, this full-size base offers ample space and functionality. Plus, if you have two different sleep styles to accommodate, two twin XL bases can be combined to create a king-size bed with customizable sides. Finally, rest easy knowing this product comes with a 5-year limited warranty, providing peace of mind and long-lasting comfort. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.